I was just down here trying to cover up stuff for tomorrow's incredible windstorm, and look what I discovered. I thought, I don't remember sticking a stake into this bed. That is an asparagus, purple asparagus. Look at that monster. That's going to be a meal in itself. And I got more popping up here, and a huge one coming up here, and a big one here. Unreal. So exciting. Oh, look over here. There's another big one. I guess it was worth waiting 2 years, huh? Okay, I'm going to take the long ones and start eating on these. Well, I'll have to peel it, but I'm still going to cut it down there. I'll have to peel the bottom part or even snap it off. But that's the largest asparagus I've ever grown, bar none. Another discovery. Check it out. Potatoes. Yep. Oh, I know tomorrow's going to be rough. Very rough. These little stones are not going to hold this down, but it'll just be what it is, you know? Look at my asparagus. That's like daddy, mommy, and son and daughter. What is this? That's a weed. Okay. Okay, note to self. You've got to come out every day now and harvest asparagus. I let this get away from me, and look at the size of this thing. Okay, that's today's harvest. Let's try one. If you've never tried fresh asparagus right up from the garden, you should try it. Breakfast. There is nothing like harvesting some purple asparagus for your supper. Okay, my new favorite meal is fish, asparagus, sweet potato, and sweet onion. Okay, I have mixed together this is fish tonight, white fish, with sweet onion. This is the sweet pepper, and I only had 5 asparagus, so I'm mixing that all together with crushed pepper. I need to fill that up. Crushed salt, pink Himalayan, I need to fill that up. And herbs de Provence with the blackened seasoning. Okay, here's how it looks. And it's going into a 400-degree oven until everything's tender. But you know, this is a great way to stretch your meat or your protein, because this is one serving, it's one fillet of white fish, and you cube it up, you add sweet potatoes, you add vegetables, and this is enough of a serving for probably 3 people, or at least 2 dinners for me. Okie dokie. That looks good. It's a one-dish meal. It's fantastic. You've got your protein, and these particular sweet potatoes are white. They cook very fast. If you make thin slices, they're done in 10 minutes. And you just put your, make everything sort of similar sizes. Put it into a bowl, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and stir it around so it gets all coated. Put it on a piece of parchment paper in a baking pan and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and it's mighty fine, as my father used to say.